These types of luxury videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on Instagram and TikTok. This faceless Instagram account has gained over 1.2 million followers in just a few months by uploading these luxury reels. The same thing is happening with this TikTok account. They are making thousands of dollars every month with 3 secret business models that no one is talking about. I'll show you everything with proof of how they are making thousands of dollars with these videos. The best part of this niche is that you can create similar videos in just a few minutes without needing a script or voiceover. You only need 3 things: a collection of luxury clips, background music, and a basic AI video editor. But forget this for now, because if you skip this video, you won't learn how to create similar videos, and you cannot discover the tricks to monetize them. You'll miss out on valuable information that can help you make at least $9,000 per month with these luxury videos. So don't skip the last part. Now let's watch one of their videos. To create these types of videos, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to find these luxury clips. For this, I visited more than 20 websites and tried hundreds of keywords to find the best website for downloading these luxury clips. After at least 1 week of research, I found a website that these popular accounts are using to download these clips. I was also able to find quite a handsome deal for my loyal viewers, so make sure to use the link in the description to enjoy a whopping 20% discount on your first purchase if you decide to upgrade. I have also created a Google Doc consisting of 100 keywords you can use to find high-quality luxury clips. All you have to do is copy those keywords and paste them here in the search bar to find relevant clips. I recommend downloading at least 5 to 6 clips for each video to make the video more engaging. Now, once you have downloaded all these clips, open any video editor you like. I will use Capcut for this tutorial. You can use Canva if Capcut is not available in your country. Once you're on Capcut, simply click on Import button and import all of your clips into Capcut. After that, drag and drop all of these clips into the timeline. All you have to do is make every clip only 3 seconds long to keep viewers hooked and force them to watch the video again and again. Then increase the size of each clip to make them suitable for short-form content. After this, add any transitions you like and play with these adjustments to make the video as good as you can. Then we need background music. I recommend using a video editor for combining and editing these clips and adding viral trending music while uploading these videos to each platform. Once you're happy with the video, simply head over and export the video in 4K and upload this video to each platform using viral trending music. Now, let's talk about how to monetize these videos. If you watch one of these Instagram accounts we are modeling, you will know that they are making money in 3 ways. The first way they are making money is through sponsorships. The best thing about this niche is that you can secure some of the highest sponsorship deals on the entire internet. However, to achieve this, you need at least 1,000 subscribers or followers. The second way they are making money is by promoting Make Money online courses. You can create your own course if you'd like, or simply visit websites like ClickBank, where you'll find plenty of courses to promote. If ClickBank isn't available in your country, like mine, you can create an account on Digistore24. They also offer a variety of courses for promotion. For example, if you search for a YouTube course, you'll find one that can earn you a whopping $312 per sale. Mathematically, if you sell just 1 course every day, you could earn around $9,000 per month, which is both insane and achievable in this niche. The third way they are making money is by promoting these luxury clips. You can join the referral program of the same website we used to find these luxury clips. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.